Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be learning how to do this origami crab. To make this model, I'll be taking 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter square sheet of paper and keeping the white side on the top, I'll be starting with the plus crease. Now keep the color side on the top and create the cross crease. Now collapse the paper into preliminary base. Bring two sides to the center crease. This is pre-creasing for the next step. Now open the flap carefully and flatten it as shown. Repeat the same for all the four flaps. Now you can see four flaps on each side. From the bottom, bring two sides to the center crease. Fold the model into half. Then open and do the petal folding. Do the petal folding for all the four sides. Then, keeping the plain side on the top, make a slit for each flaps. After doing front and back side, you can flip over and do for the other two sides. Now let's fold crab's claws. Fold the four flaps as demonstrated on each side. Now fold it one more time as shown. Now turn the model and fold this triangle like this. Make a small slit over here. Fold the pincers as shown. Repeat the same thing to the other side too. To work on this portion, turn the model, then fold a small triangle in and fold it as shown. You can use little bit of glue to give a neat finish. We can use little bit of glue on this place also to keep the things in place. Origami crab is done. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.